Below in this video, I'm going to teach you how to train a samurai. So first, let's pick one peasant.
Right.
Then okay, so first, let's take a look at these three structures that we're going to use in training a samurai. So first is dojo. So this training building trains units skilled in hand-to-hand combat. So dito yung pumapasok yung spearmen, swordsmen, basta lahat ng melee type troops. Then ito naman sa alchemist hut. So this trains units skilled with fire and gunpowder. So ito naman yung nagtitrain ng mga troops na effective against buildings or structures. Okay, then itong target range, this trains units skilled in projectile combat. So dito na pumapasok archer, bandits, yan, basta yung long range. So lahat yan pagdadaanan natin. So first, let's pick the peasant. Then let's enter him in this dojo.
Yes.
Okay, so we have trained a spearman. So this is a melee type troop. Yan, so ang damage class niya is piercing. Then resist cutting, piercing, and blunt damage. So ibig sabihin, less damage yung nakukuha niya kapag nakakatanggap siya ng cutting, piercing, and blunt damage. Or ang enemy niya is yung cutting type, piercing type, and blunt damage type. Then, mahina siya kapag ang kalaban niya is magical damage. So, yung mga warlocks, kabuki warriors, yun, mahina siya dun. Okay. And then, after nito, let's enter him in the alchemist.
I'm off.
Okay, so we trained Kabuki Warrior. So ang damage class niya magical. So ang mahina siya malakas siya sa cutting, explosive, and magical damage. So lahat ng mga cutting type, explosive type, and magical type is less yung natitik niyang damage. Then, mahina naman siya against blunt damage. So, mas malakas yung damage. Mas mataas yung damage na na-absorb niya kapag ang kalaban niya is blunt type troop. Then, let's enter him in the target range.
Yes.
Okay, we finally have a samurai. So this ang damage class niya is cutting. Then malakas siya kapag ang kalaban niya is cutting and blunt damage, blunt type. Then mahina siya against explosive and magical damage. Okay, so actually di ba
For the dragon.
inuna natin dojo. Actually, kahit saan kahit saan dito pwede mauna. So, yun ang mga.
All right.
Okay, so, di ba ito yung inuna natin. Okay, then,
Hot on the trail.
okay, then pansin nyo, di ba in-over ko dito sa pinanggalingan niya, hindi na pwede. So, yan. So
Going.
next. Yan, di ba samurai? Parehas lang.
Yes,
Actually,
Lord.
wala talagang order. Basta lahat dapat lang madaanan niya lahat. Okay, in any order siya. Okay, so that's it.